title is The Effect of Changes in Weather on Animals' Behavior. Look at this. This is my 3D model. And this is my presentation board. The materials from my research: presentation board, model board, skisser, glue, coloring pencil, origami paper, and additional stuffs. The procedure: prepare tools and materials needed. Draw the condition of weather, animals, and the picture that support your model on origami paper. Stick them onto your model board. Please see the lines at the presentation board. Make sure the presentation board can be three-fold. You can draw or stick the picture on the presentation. Add some description. Decorate the model and presentation board as good as possible. Make the video to present your research. The problem is, do the changes in weather have effect on birds' behavior? My hypothesis is changes of weather affect on birds' behavior. And also I found the data from internet about 1. Why do changes in weather affect birds' behavior? 2. How do changes in weather affect birds' behavior? 3. So, what is their purpose to that behavior? 4. Mention another animals that have same behavior with birds. Okay, look at this. This is my result. The changes in weather can affect ecosystems, habitats, and species with increasing velocity and continuity, alter temperature, precipitation, and moisture, a generally more variable weather, and more extreme weather are hallmarks of weather change that directly affect birds, and birds are very sensitive to weather change. Changes in weather affect on animals' behavior, including birds. When autumn and winter come, food sources will be reduced. When food sources dwindle, the birds that live in that area to have to migrate. Bird migration is the regular, seasonal movement of the north and south along flight paths to find breeding grounds and escape winter temperatures, or make seasonal trips to other places where the temperature is warmer. Otherwise, they could starve and die slowly. Some groups of birds usually breed at the migration site, so when they return home, they already have children. However, there is also a group of birds more food so that they don't starve to death, because in winter their food supply, such as insects, fruits, seeds, will decrease, so they have to migrate to place where the temperature is warmer to get more food and can survive. When the temperature is warm, the birds will breed and make many nests to have more offspring, because food sources are very plentiful. Another animals that migration like birds during winter are monarch butterflies, blue whales, deers, insects like dragonflies and spotted frog.